Ready, Dai? Ready for Mustang? Pusai, are you excited for us?
Pusai.
Pusai,
oh my god! Please, sweet dream. Yeah. Come on. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Wow. हाम्रो चाहिँ साधन हाम्रो साधन चाहिँ यहाँ छ guys. This is के हो बाबा यो? Scorpio.
Scorpio.
यसले थाहा पाछ क्या?
के छैन बस है बरु माउ पैसा मन अब आन्टी पैसा पुग्छ
खाना माग्दै छ यो. Hello Simbu. Hurry up. तैले उस लियो तेरो तार लियो तार त्यो उस वाला must needed for vloggers. Dai Now you are one. 2 person is one now.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning, sweetheart.
आज हम कहाँ जाँदैछ गुड्डी?
हामी आज मुस्ताङ जाँदैछ.
मुस्ताङ जाँदैछ. मलाई जबरजस्ती लिएर जाँदैछ.
Of course.
Even though I didn't want to go.
In our trip.
Okay. Who is that? Clown.
Where?
Born clown.
We're both here.
I don't see a clown. Where?
The journey has started, guys.
Yeah. It's after 8. Let's see what time we get there.
Hamro Subha Maurat after 7:56 ko थियो. So we have left the Dharamshala now. So we're heading to Chamsham. Tara hamra hotel चाहिँ पहिल्यै प्री बुक छैन. It's like Nepali style. Go there and we book. We don't know which hotel we're going to. It can be 1 star, it can be 2 star, it can be 3 star.
There is hot water. Kalika Kalika Bhagwati Mandir.
That's it.
In Kushmari.
Wow, what a jodi. के भएर जोडी सलामत भएको होला नि त. के माग्छ?
You can't say that, otherwise your wishes won't come true and prayers. So
Skip.
What are you asking?
I was gonna ask for my long life and my husband.
What about your family? What about uncle?
And my family.
What about mama, mind you? What about Saki's pizza?
दिदी आज के हो दिदी आज दिदी हजुर
शनिबार भएर भिड भएको होला कि खास कमान चिला जस्तो गर ढाड दुखेको सन्चो हुन्छ अब ढाड दुखेको सन्चो हुन्छ गर त गर नि पनि सन्चो हुन्छ कि दाइ त केही दुखेको छैन साँच्चै हो ल जाम 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 वाउ वाट अ तन्दुरुस्त गाई मेरो ढाड त अलरेडी सन्चो भयो नि त I feel nothing.
There was nothing wrong with your back, kid.
I feel nothing. No, it was painful. I feel nothing now. And I do feel something because Sajan just pushed me down. But I think my back pain is going. I think it is. For real. For reals. Kalika Bhagwati को दर्शन पनि भयो अब हाम्रो सफल एकदम राम्रो हुन्छ होला हैन सजन
Hopefully, yeah. So obviously the journey has been good so far.
The views
have been amazing
so far.
So we're gonna see some waterfalls.
Yeah, bro. And some Jalunga pool.
Yeah, take some pictures and that.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Go on that bridge as well.
And we're gonna have some lunchy.
Yeah. Gonna be a mad thing, brother.
Tara, यति धेरै टोयलेट गइसक्यो कि लाइक दैट all the toilets has put me off. Appetite.
Max पनि स्प्रे छोड्नु मजा लाग्छ.
त नि हो साथी हो. Appetite पनि जान लागेछ तर if food comes it comes.
जानु त
Boreo, खानु त boreo. Lunch time.
के खाने हो भातै खान्छ सबजना
Energy low हुँदैछ.
Not really.
Energy low. Not that anybody's gonna look at you. Suru. Wow, Narin Naju. Also the Hanubagacha mutton. What's the Sajan Hana? Miticha? Say miticha.
Cha.
हामी आज के अरे मुस्ताङ जाँदैछौँ obviously you guys know. So on the way हामी रुक्से waterfall मा छौँ. Look how good it looks. नि पनि डेन्जर सफा छ. र बच्चाहरू माछा मार्दैछन् माछा. So guys, हामी अर्को ठुलो झरनामा आइपुग्यो. Like this is another big one. Like it's real big. We just took our pictures and took our videos. So, Raja, let's go. We're heading back to our Scorpio car. So. How was the Jharna experience?
It was fabulous.
Crazy.
But cold.
Cold, right? How much is it? Guys, so
We need to get
your gear ready
Exactly.
before the show light.
One hell of a bumpy ride.
Also, is the bumpy rides?
My inside is all
Outside.
my inside is all in and out basically.
खानेकुरा पनि माथि तल
Yeah, man.
Oh my god.
Let's have some coffee. Tea, coffee.
How do you feel, darling? How do you feel to be sitting on the wrong side of the road and not getting enough views? Why are you spitting? Oh! Make noise! Make noise! Yak! Sergeant Yak! Yak! Yak!
Gonna eat you, no?
Sergeant is Yeti. Wah, wah, kस्तो bawal दिएको. मेरो आँखाहरु मेरो सबै. Hello guys, so we are in Mustang. We are in Alpenrose Hotel. Everyone's got their room. The rooms are clean. They've just taken our orders for our dinner. So because we have a lot of place to cover because we have to return back to Pokhara. So yeah, ready basically. So we are all heading down. Oh, dhero with sabji, dhero with chicken, bhat with chicken, dhero with yak, dhero with chicken, and dhero with yak. Peace out.
Dhero with veggie.
Wow, wow, wow. Dhero with chamcha, why not?
Because I have my nails.
Okay. What is this bhool bhulaiya? What is this bhool bhulaiya? Hearnu sabale hearnu sela. Sabaile hearnu sela. Kasari ढेडो हात चम्चा.
मायाको छोरलाई
विदेशबाट आएको.
हैन नङ बनाएर के?
Hello guys, Jumshama McBangs here.
मजाले काट्दै खायो नि.
यति बात गर्छ म. भयो मेरो मकबाङ सुरु भयो मेरो.
हाँस्न आएन.
ल. ओ. छ है छ ठक्का. वाउ वाउ वाउ. तातो तातो. कसैले फेरि ढेडो चपाउँदै छ यहाँ नि है. ल एउटै फ्यामिलीहरु हो उनीहरु. हजुरहरुले बुझ्नुहुन्छ भने.
कोहीले चपाउँछ,
कसैले चपाउँछ, कसैले चम्चाले खान्छ, कसैले काँटाले खान्छ. सेम फ्यामिलीको मान्छेहरु हुन् गाइस. हैन.
सेम फ्यामिलीको मान्छे हुन्.
दाल पनि यसरी खाइदिन्छ.
तपाईहरु के ल्याउनु पर्छ?
छैन.
भात ल्याउनु पर्छ.
अहिले एकछिनमा.
मामा त के भ्याउन.
मतलब धेरै थप्नुहुन्छ नि. धेरै छ र?
छ नि त.
हो. धेरै म धेरै.
धेरै खानुहुन्छ.
सानो सानो लाग्छ म त.
भगुन्डा जस्तो ल्याउनु पर्यो.